Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to our maths class. Okay, so the previous class we are discussed about ascending order and descending order. Okay, what is ascending order? Ascending or arrange the numbers in ascending order mean start from small to large. Okay, what is descending order? Descending order means greatest to small, that means decreasing order. Okay, now we are move on to the next topic, that is greatest number and smallest number, and the first one is greatest number. So to form greatest number, start the greatest number. I have an example here. Okay, these are the numbers. Okay, write the greatest number. Write the greatest number by using this digit. Okay, the question is write the greatest number. Write the greatest number. Greatest 4-digit number. Okay, greatest 4-digit number. By using this digit. Okay. By using this digit, that means 6, 4, 8, 2. Okay, you have to form a greatest 4-digit number by using this digit. So the first step is write which number is greatest among these 4. So 8 is greatest. Okay, next 6, and the next one is 4, then 2. This is the order. Okay, so the question is write the greatest 4-digit number by using these numbers. So the answer is, okay, the answer is 8,642. You got the idea? So forming greatest number means write the greatest digit first. Okay, write the greatest digit first, then follow other numbers. I will write another example. This is your number. Write the greatest number. Write the greatest number. Write the greatest number. Without repeating this question, okay? Without repeat this number. Without repeat numbers. Without repeat numbers. How many digits? 5 digits. Write the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit number. Okay. 5-digit number without repeating. So, which is the greatest number coming first? 9, 7, 5, 3 and 2. Okay. So, which is the number? This is the number we get. This is the number. 97,532 is the greatest 5-digit number by using this numbers. Okay, you got it? You got the idea? So how to form greatest numbers? Write the large or great digit first, then follow others numbers. Okay, I have another example, so can you get an idea about forming greatest number. Okay, form, write greatest 5-digit number. Write greatest 5-digit number by using this number. So which number come first? 8, then 5, then 2, 1, 0. Okay, so the number will be 85,210. 85,210 is the largest number or greatest number by using this digit. Okay, so next one is, I think you had understood, is not difficult. Write the greatest digit first, then follow it. Next is smallest number. Smallest number. Okay. Like the same manner, how to find out the write the smallest number. Okay, I will give an example here. Okay, this is your digit. Write smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit number by using this digit. Write smallest 5-digit number by using this digit. So first write the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. Okay. 1 is less than 2, again like that. Okay, you got it? So now we can write the number. So the number is 12,346 is the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Okay, you got it. So to form smallest number by given digits, first you write the smallest digit number. First you write smallest digit number, then following numbers in the order of increasing order. Okay. Okay. I have another example, and that is these are the digit 4, 0, 1, 5, 7. Okay. 0 is first, then 1, then 4, 5 and 7. Write the smallest, how many digits? Smallest 5-digit number. smallest 5-digit number. Okay, in this case 0 is coming first, so we can write the number like 1. How to read this number? 1457. It is not a 5-digit number because 0 is coming first. Okay, so in the question, is 0 is there? Not write the 0 first. The number will be like that. 1, 0. This is the correct answer. Okay, 0, if 0 is right first, it is not become the 5-digit number. So 0 coming as second number. So how to read this number? 10,457. It is the smallest. It is the smallest. How many digits? Yes, 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Okay, you got it. Okay, in the case of forming smallest number, write the smallest digit first. Write the smallest digit first, then next larger number like that. Okay, so I will give an example with both. You have to form both greatest and smallest. So you got an idea about that. Okay. Question is, write the smallest and greatest number by using okay, so you have to find out both greatest number and smallest number, and these are the digits. Okay, so how to find out the greatest number? How to find out the greatest number? How to find out the greatest number? First write the greatest number first, then 6, then 2, then after 6, 4 is there, then 2 and 1. Okay, this is the greatest number that can be formed from this digit. And how to find out the smallest number? How to find out the smallest number? Which is the smallest digit in this given numbers? 1 is the smallest number. Second, 2. Then 4, 6, 8. So 12,468 is the smallest number that can be formed from this given digits. Okay, you got it? You got the idea about that? Okay, very good. So I think this is, you had to understand what is greatest number, how to form the greatest number, and how to form the smallest number. Okay, very good. So move on to the next topic. Before that, you have an activity, page number 63, E and F. Okay, page number 63, you have to write E and F, and that is write the smallest number by using this digit. There are 4 questions are there. In each 4 questions are there. You should write. Okay, and our next topic is rounding of numbers. Okay, our next topic is rounding of numbers. Okay, rounding of numbers. If If I ask you, how old are you? Sometimes you say, it's 10 years, 2 months and 5 days old. But we just say that it is 10-year-old. Sometimes in a class consists of 98 students, but we must say that it's about 100 students. Sometimes we may not write the exact number. We just say the number by round off the numbers. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the rounding of numbers, and the first topic is rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. There are rounding of numbers to nearest 100 and nearest thousands also. The first topic is rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. So, first example is 43. Now we can 43, 47 and 45 on the number line. Okay, now we are learn on the number line. After we can write the numbers. Okay, so 43. 43 is between the 40 and 50. Am I right? The 43 is between 40 and 50. But 43 is closer to which number? 40 or 50? 43 is closer to 40 than 50. Compared to 50, the 43 is closer to 40. So it is rounded down. It is rounded down to 40. Compared to 50, 43 is close to 40. So it is rounded down. Okay, rounded down. Next is 47. 47 is closer to 50. 47 is closer to 50 compared to 40. It is closer to 50. So it is rounded up. In the case of 43, it is rounded down, but in the case of 47, it is rounded up. That means it is close to 50. And the last one is 45. 45 is halfway between 40 and 50. It is halfway between 40 and 50, but it is not rounded down, it is rounded up to 50. If a number is halfway, it is rounded up to the greatest number. Okay? It's clear. So, first one is rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. First number is 43. 43 is closer to 40 compared to 50. So, it is rounded down. Next is 47. It is closer to 50. So, it is rounded up. And the next one is, it is halfway between 40 and 50. If a number is halfway, it is rounded up. I will give you examples. Okay. So, without representing on number line, we can find out the nearest 10. Okay. We can find out the nearest 10. Okay. So, first number is 43. We have to find out the nearest 10 of 43. Nearest 10. We have to find out the nearest 10 of 43. How to find out? So, 43. 43 is our number. So, in 43, consider in nearest 10. In the case of nearest 10, we consider the ones number. Ones in a number, okay, if the digit, I will tell, if the digit in the ones place, if the digit in the ones place, if the digit in the ones place is smaller than 5, smaller than 5, smaller than 5. There is no change in tens number. Make the ones, change the number, change the ones place to 0. Change ones place to 0. If you get a number and you have to find out the nearest 10, that means look at the ones place. Look at the ones place. The ones place is smaller than 5. What happened? There is no change in tens place. Make the ones place 0. 40 is the nearest 10. 40 is the nearest 10 of 43. Without representing on number line, we can find out how to find out nearest 10. If the digit in the ones place is smaller than 5, there is no change in tens place. Write the tens place first, then change ones place to 0. I will write another example so you will understand. 24, find out the nearest 10 of 24. Nearest 10 of 24. So I told you 4 is in the ones place. 4 is in the ones place. That means there is no change in tens place and ones place changed to 0. So 20 is the nearest 10 of 24. 20 is the nearest 10 of 24. I will write another example. Nearest 10 of 53. The same way, if the number in the ones place is smaller than 5 or below 5, there is no change in ones place. Write the tens place. Then yes, change the ones place to 0. You got it? You got it? So, the first one, round off the numbers to the nearest 10. That means if you get a number, the number in the ones place, look at the ones place. If the ones place is below 5 or smaller than 5, what happened? There is no change in tens place. Change the ones place to 0. Okay? We have more example, then you can understand. Actually, it is easy. You should listen my class. Okay? Next number is 42. 42, no 42. We can write 62. Write the nearest 10 of 62. Nearest 10 of 62. How to find out? Then find first. You are looking at the ones place. Ones place is 2. Ones place is 2 and it is smaller than 5. Smaller than 5. That means it is rounded up or down. Rounded down. Rounded down. Okay? And we have to find out the nearest 10 of 62. That means there is no change in tens place and change the ones place to 0. So, 60 is the nearest 10 of 62 and it is rounded down. 60 is the nearest 10 of 62 and it is rounded. Again, one more example. Sometimes you have 2-digit or 3-digit number. 231. Find out the nearest 10. Which is the nearest 10? Nearest 10 means look at the ones place. Look at the ones place. Okay. Ones place, it is which number? 1. 1 is yes, smaller than 5. So it is rounded down. Rounded down. Then there is no change in tens, and if there is tens, 100,000, there is no change in that number. So write tens and 100 place, then change the ones place to 0. So the nearest 10 of 231 is 230. Okay, is it clear there? Okay. Next, the same nearest 10, but the ones digit are greater than 5. What happened? Look at. That means in the case of 47. 47. Find out nearest 10. Okay. 7 in which place? Ones place. If you get any digit number, it may be 2, 3, 4 digits. In the case of nearest 10, you have to look at only the ones place only. Only the ones place. Okay. 7 in ones place. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Then what happened? If the number in ones place greater than 5, add 1 to the number. Add 1 to the number. That means 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Add 1 to the number. That means 4 plus 1, 5. And change the ones place to 0. Okay. So we can write a point here. Digit in the ones place is greater than or equal to 5. Greater than or equal to 5. What happened? Add 1 to the add 1 to the tens place and change ones place to 0. 0, and it is rounded down or rounded up. It is rounded up, and it is rounded up. Okay. If the number in the ones place is above or equal to 5, it is rounded up. And how to find out the nearest 10? How to find out? Add 1 to the tens place. That means if we add 1 to the 4, we get 5. Then change the ones to 0. Okay. You have some difficulties, but we have more examples so you can understand well. Next is 85. 85 is your number. Find out the nearest 10. Which is the nearest 10? Which is the nearest 10? So 5 in ones place. if the number in ones place is 5 or greater than 5, what happened? Add 1 to the number, that means 9, and make the ones place 0. Okay, it is rounded up or down? Rounded up. Okay. So, if the number, the previous we are learned, if the number in the ones place is smaller than 5, there is no change in ones place, only add 0 to the ones place. Okay, in the case of the number in the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, what happened? It is rounded up, that means add 1 to the tens number, then that means if we add 1 to the 4, we get 5. Then change the ones place into 0. We have more example. And you can. So I have one example, 135. Which is the nearest to 10 of 135? How to find out? Okay. Ones place is 5. So add 1 to the number. That means add 1 to the tens number. 1 we write as 1, then add 1 to the number, we get 4, and change the ones place to 0. Okay. Next number 82. 82, what is the nearest 10 of 82? That means 2 in the ones place, that is below the 5. So there is no change in tens place, and change the ones place to 0. One more question. Okay. Which is number 4 in ones place? 4 is below the 5. So there is no change in number. There is no change in tens and 100 and 1000 number. Change the last number into, that means ones number into 0. In the case of 827, 7 in ones place, that means above the 5. So add 1 to the next number, that means 3, and make it 0. Okay. So this is about nearest 10. First you should read the points, page number 65. You should read carefully on the round of numbers to the nearest 10 and exercise the problems and the numbers given in the today's class. Okay. Thank you so much.